What's up everyone, it's Drone Novator and we're diving into BVLOS drone operations. BVLOS stands for Beyond Visual Line of Sight, a game changer in the drone world. We're talking about drones flying beyond what the pilot can see, opening up new possibilities. BVLOS is pushing the limits of what drones can do, impacting industries like infrastructure, agriculture, search and rescue, and delivery. In this video, we're breaking down everything BVLOS, the tech, the applications, and the future it's shaping. Trust me, you're going to want to see this. Let's kick things off with infrastructure inspection. Think about the massive structures we rely on every day. Power lines, pipelines, bridges, traditional inspections, time-consuming, expensive, and dangerous. BVLOS drones with high-resolution cameras access hard-to-reach areas, capturing detailed data. They do this while flying beyond the pilot's vision, covering more ground in less time. Companies like Xcel Energy are using BVLOS drones to inspect power lines, making the process safer and more efficient. BVLOS drones are transforming agriculture. Farmers can now map entire farms, getting real-time data on crop health, irrigation, and pests. Companies like Drone Deploy use multispectral cameras to capture data invisible to the human eye. In search and rescue, time is critical. BVLOS drones with thermal imaging and aerial surveillance quickly cover vast areas, searching for survivors and providing real-time situational awareness. In Canada, BVLOS drones have been deployed to locate missing persons with remarkable results. BVLOS drones are revolutionizing delivery and logistics. Companies like Zipline use BVLOS drones to deliver essential medical supplies to remote areas. BVLOS drones offer faster, more efficient delivery solutions. BVLOS drones are essential tools for environmental monitoring. They're tracking endangered species, monitoring deforestation, and capturing data that helps researchers address challenges. In South America, BVLOS drones are monitoring deforestation in the Amazon forest, providing crucial data to combat illegal logging. BVLOS drones provide a crucial advantage in public safety and law enforcement. Equipped with thermal imaging and real-time video streaming, they aid first responders. The California Fire Department uses BVLOS drones to monitor wildfires and track fire lines, locate hotspots, making their efforts more effective and safer. BVLOS drones bring speed, accuracy, and efficiency to surveying and mapping. Equipped with LiDAR and photogrammetry, they create detailed three-dimensional maps and models. In Australia, mining companies use BVLOS drones to survey vast mine sites, improving safety and optimizing operations. BVLOS drones offer safer, efficient solutions for the oil and gas industry. They inspect pipelines for leaks and monitor offshore platforms for hazards. Companies like Shell are integrating BVLOS drones, reducing risks and improving efficiency. BVLOS drones are pivotal in urban air mobility and smart cities. Imagine drones delivering packages, transporting passengers, and providing emergency services. Cities like Dubai are making this vision a reality. Regulations are keeping pace with BVLOS drone innovation. The Drone PLI scheme in India incentivizes drone manufacturing, while the Drone Airspace Map provides a clear framework. The DGCA is granting experimental BVLOS permits, paving the way for more companies to deploy solutions. BVLOS drone operations present both challenges and opportunities. Airspace integration and collision avoidance need robust solutions and clear regulations. The opportunities are immense, with BVLOS drones revolutionizing logistics, healthcare, and environmental monitoring. BVLOS drones are transforming industries and shaping a more efficient, sustainable future. As technology advances and regulations evolve, expect more groundbreaking applications. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more insights and innovations.